Sa, Tagalog. What did you say that again?
Kamay mo dyan sa ano mo.
Say again, si Vincent ang ano na nyo, bigyan. Vincent, say again. Sabihin mo ulit. So, tell for English and then for Tagalog. Say again.
Say it again.
So I'm going to need your address in order to send the stuff to you.
Tagalog.
Tagalog. Tagalog.
That part I don't know.
Ibigay
Ibigay
mo
mo
sa akin,
sa akin,
sa akin ang
ang
address
address
ng
ng
bahay mo.
bahay
Bahay
mo.
bahay mo.
Bahay mo.
Papadala ko.
Babakaw.
Papa
Papa.
dala
Dala.
ko
Come.
sa'yo
Sa'yo.
ang
Ang
gusto mo.
gusto mo.
Kaya, kamusta ka na? Say, kamusta ka na?
Gusto mas ka.
Kamusta?
Kamusta.
That mean, how are you?
Okay. Kamusta.
Kamusta? Pinsan. Say, pinsan.
Punsan. What the?
Put it on your hand. Say, pinsan. Say, pinsan.
Punsan.
Mahal kita.
Gwapo-gwapo eh.
Ay,
Handsome eh.
well,
You're so handsome.
say thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat.
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 Thank you. Salamat means thank you. What does gracias mean? Gracias means. What does gracias means?
What crush?
Gracias.
Crush mas?
Gracias. Okay, I'm saying it. It means thank you in Spanish.
Okay. Tama na na.
I know some stuff in Spanish.